categori dysgwr sydd wedi gwneud y cynnydd gorau ar lefel canolradd neu uwch. Learner who's made the best progress at intermediate level or above. Yn y drydydd safle mai, in third place is Matthew Jones, dysgwr cwrs dwys dysgu Cymraeg Gwaith yng Nghyngor Sir Ddimbych. Intensive Learn Work Welsh course learner at Denbighshire County Council. Yn ail y mai, second is Jenny Adams, dysgwr Cymraeg Gwaith addysg uwch ym Mhrifysgol Metropolitan Caerdydd. Work Welsh Higher Education learner at Cardiff Metropolitan University. A'r enillydd yw, and the winner is Sarah Childs, dysgwr Cymraeg Gwaith addysg bellach yng Ngholeg Ceredigion. Work Welsh Further Education learner at Coleg Ceredigion. Mae Sarah yn dysgu Cymraeg gyda'r cynllun ers 2017. O'r dechrau, roedd o ddifri am ddatblygu i sgiliau Cymraeg, ac mae hi'n sereni am fod ei Chymraeg wedi blodeuo cymaint. Bu'n annog i chydweithwyr i weithio gyda hi ar ei Chymraeg gan fanteisio ar unrhyw gyfleoedd i ddefnyddio'r iaith, boed gyda'r staff neu gyda'r myfyrwyr. Llwyddodd gyda rhagoriaeth yn ei harholiad Cymraeg a phenderfynodd weithio tuag at ennill tystysgrif sgiliau iaith. Mae'n defnyddio'i Chymraeg yn gwbl naturiol ac yn ysbrydoliaeth i aelodau eraill o'r staff. Sarah has been learning Welsh with the scheme since 2017. From the beginning, she's been passionate about developing her Welsh language skills, which have blossomed considerably. She encouraged her colleagues to work with her on her Welsh, taking advantage of every opportunity to use her Welsh language, whether with staff or with students. She passed with a distinction in her Welsh exam and decided to work towards a Welsh Skills Certificate. She uses her spoken Welsh naturally and is an inspiration to her fellow members of staff.